Everyone. Welcome to the session. First of all, let me congratulate you all for choosing to upskill your career into the field of data analytics and data science. This entire project duration would be for 45 days. The internship duration would be for 45 days. And what would happen is something that I'm going to explain shortly. But first, let me tell you who I am. That's me. My name is Bharani Kumar Depuru. And, I have 18 plus years of experience. I work with companies such as HSBC, ITC, Infotech, Infosys, and Deloitte. I'm an alumnus of Indian School of Business and IIT. Okay. And we do a lot of projects in the space of advanced analytics, and we include those projects in 360DigiTMG. 360DigiTMG is digital transformation management and governance. Okay. We do a lot of advanced analytics projects. And let me show you a few of the projects that we do. So this is for an automobile company wherein whenever the clamping happens, if incorrect clamping sequence is followed using video analytics, you can identify. Then I think my voice might crack a bit because of the internet connection. So sorry, it's a little unstable. Then we have done a project in the space of identifying the steel rods automatically and detecting the steel rods automatically. Okay, automatic detection of steel rods will happen rather than manually doing that. We have also done projects in the space of bird. Okay, where we will identify and detect the birds. Okay, and I'll show you that. It's taking a while to show up, or let it come up. I think I'll have to refresh this. Each of the screens I'll have to refresh because it's taking a while for details to pop up. Yeah. So the moment you give an image, it will automatically detect the chicks and determine whether those are healthy or sick. There's yet another project where we have built a model which will detect the eggs. It will detect the eggs. It will detect number of eggs, how many eggs are white, brown, so on and so forth. Okay, that's another project. Then we have built a project in the space of machine failure. And this is for a company called as Schnell Group, which is a German-based company. Whether a machine is going to fail or not would actually be predicted upfront. Then we have done a project in the space of pallet classification, wherein you provide pallets as input and automatically it will be classified whether the pallets are damaged or not. Okay. And to demonstrate that, I'll show you the details. We need to enter the username and password and all the other details. And then the moment you supply the pallets, it's going to automatically classify the pallets as whether the pallets are damaged or whether the pallets are in good condition or whether the pallets need some repair. Those kind of details would come up. in this way. Okay. Then you have this bar bending schedule. This is in the space of civil industry, wherein the moment you give the infrastructure or the architecture diagram, automatically details would be, pulled from this. How many steel rods, what is the length, the dimension, diameter of the steel rods. And then these details will go into the Excel sheet. Okay. These are the kind of project that we have dealt with. And the moment you click on process here, which would happen now, the details will get populated in an Excel sheet from the architecture diagram, and it will automatically create something called as bar bending schedule. So it's taking a while, is it?
The steel rod, what should be the length of?
Yeah, there we go. This is how it would come out. Then we have done projects in the space of steel pipe detection, basically. I'll show this also. And there are a lot of amazing projects that we have done. Okay, anyways, I'll probably stop this conversation. You can go through these kind of projects that we have done in the space of life sciences, healthcare, so on and so forth. And let me also show you this, where we have done projects for a lot of companies in the space of life sciences, healthcare as well. And we have done a project for Rela Hospital in the space of pharmacy forecasting. Okay. And, we until now would have trained a lot of people, and 580 plus students got jobs. 580 plus people. Yeah. And we have people working in Dubai in Al Shaya Group. Al Shaya is a company which is headquartered in Kuwait. And they have customers such as Starbucks, H&M, Mothercare, so on and so forth. We have Manju, who is working in UL hospitals in Ireland, Infosys, Mercedes-Benz R&D, so on and so forth, Capgemini, Sutherland, PricewaterhouseCoopers, so on and so forth, Deloitte, Genpact, so on and so forth. These are the big four companies. You have people working in Deloitte, Ernst & Young, PricewaterhouseCoopers, KPMG. In all the big fours, our students are working. That's in short about our company. One of our students is working in Human, which is a Singapore-based company. And welcome to this particular program. That's about my introduction and the kind of work that we do. But here, there are two phases. We have learning phase. And as part of learning phase, which will be for 20 days, we are going to post 3 learning videos. One learning video will post at 6 a.m. on the WhatsApp group. You just need to be part of that WhatsApp group. And that will be on Python programming. We will teach you right from basics. Basics until advanced. For data analytics and data science only. And then we will post another video at 12 p.m. IST on SQL for data analytics and data science. At 6 p.m. we post on data analytics project management methodology. Once you watch these 3 videos, we are going to post a question on LinkedIn at 9 a.m. and you'll have 24 hours to answer. And only if you answer, we will consider that you completed the learning phase. Every day we will post. So for 20 days, you have to be active and you can answer in the comments section. Then you'll have project phase, which will be for another 25 days. Here we are going to assign data analytics expert who has rich experience working on real world projects. There is going to be daily stand-up meeting for 15 minutes. What did you do yesterday? What will you do today? And do you have any risks or challenges? And we'll discuss more when we reach this phase. So there'll be two phases. Completion of phase 1 is mandatory to move to phase 2. And as part of phase 2, daily for 15 minutes, you'll have meetings. And this is a kind of certificate that you get once you complete your internship. And this program is completely free. Certificate is also free. We do not charge anything before, during, or after the internship. And this program will start from tomorrow onwards, which is 23rd. 23rd September 2023. Yeah. Any questions? We will take the questions now and then we'll wind it up. Yeah, seems like there are a few questions. Yeah. No, this doesn't include data engineering. It only includes data analytics at this point of time. There's a question on, does this internship include data engineering? No. You're on the right track, but I don't know. Don't enter the exam yet. What does that mean? You have to complete 20 days of learning phase. You have answered some questions, but you have to answer for all the 20 days. No, it won't be live classes. It'll be learning videos. So you can watch it whenever you have free time. You can join the program just by joining our WhatsApp group. After 20 days of learning phase, you can join the project phase. After 26th, there'll be another internship program. You can join that. On the YouTube chat, we will post that WhatsApp group link. Just click on that and join, please. Yeah, we teach. You have to enroll for our full-length program, paid program. Any degree will work. We have people with even BCom and BA who got jobs after getting trained through us. At least good in the success stories that I've shown on the YouTube, you'll find at least 20 people who are from mechanical background. Yeah, so having mechanical degree doesn't matter. You can still get into the field of data analytics. For this internship, we won't provide any interview calls. For that, you have to join our paid program. You have to complete certain, certain training, certain number of projects. Then we will look into it. We will post every day the videos on WhatsApp group. Please be part of the WhatsApp group. So these are all the answers to the questions that I'm getting. Okay. I'll take another question and then we'll wind it up. Whatever you're learning as part of your learning phase, you'll do that. Yes, this internship is free. You'll use Python, you'll use SQL. On LinkedIn, let me go here and let me show you. This is how we post the questions on LinkedIn. and you'll have to answer in the comment section like this. Okay, every day you can do that. And you can also subscribe to our LinkedIn channel, LinkedIn page, so that you don't miss out on anything. No, for 6 months and all, we don't provide. It is going to start from tomorrow, the internship. Internship will be for 45 days. Okay, friends, thank you so much and hope you all will do well.